welcome to Management Center YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered what makes your hotel stay an unforgettable experience? Well, let's take a peek behind the curtain. It's all about the magic of hospitality management. This isn't just about room service or fluffy towels. It's an intricate dance that starts the moment you step into a hotel or a restaurant. Here's the thing. Hospitality management is all about creating a seamless experience that makes you feel at home, away from home. It's about anticipating your needs before you even realize them. The smallest details matter, from the warmth of the greeting you receive, to the crispness of the sheets on your bed, to the speed of the Wi-Fi. Yes, the devil truly is in the details. Each element, no matter how minuscule, plays a significant role in shaping your perception of the establishment. Hospitality management, as you see, is much more than just a smile at the front desk. So, what goes on behind the scenes to create these magical hotel experiences, you might wonder? Well, let's peel back the curtain and take a peek. The world of hospitality management is incredibly diverse, encompassing an array of tasks and responsibilities that all play a part in creating that perfect guest experience. It's not just about putting a mint on the pillow or a warm welcome at the reception. One of the key aspects is customer service. This is the heart and soul of the hospitality industry. It's all about anticipating guest needs, going the extra mile, and making sure every interaction leaves a positive impression. Imagine being the maestro of a grand orchestra, but instead of instruments, you're managing smiles, greetings, and goodbyes. Then there's staff management. A hotel is only as good as its team, and managing them effectively is crucial. It's about scheduling, training, motivating, and ensuring a harmonious work environment. It's like being a coach of a sports team, where every player has a unique role, but they all work together to win the game. Let's not forget food and beverage management. This involves overseeing the dining experience, from menu planning to food preparation to service delivery. It's like being a culinary director, setting the stage for a gastronomic performance that delights the senses. And of course, there's housekeeping, the unsung heroes of the hospitality world, ensuring every corner of the hotel sparkles and every guest feels at home. It's a role that requires meticulous attention to detail, akin to an art conservator in a museum. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Hospitality management also requires stellar problem-solving skills and adaptability. When faced with unexpected challenges, a hospitality manager must think on their feet, turn problems into solutions, and ensure the show goes on smoothly. So there you have it. From customer service to staff management, food and beverage to housekeeping, problem-solving to adaptability, it's a whirlwind of tasks and responsibilities. But when everything comes together, it's like a beautifully orchestrated symphony, where each element plays its part to perfection. Hospitality management is a beautifully orchestrated symphony of various elements working together to create a memorable experience. Now that we understand the intricacies of hospitality management, what does the future hold for this dynamic field? As we gaze into the crystal ball of hospitality's future, three key trends emerge. First, technology is taking center stage. From AI-powered concierge services to smart rooms that adapt to guests' needs, technology is revolutionizing how we deliver exceptional hospitality experiences. Next, sustainability. With growing awareness of our environmental footprint, sustainable practices in hospitality are no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Imagine hotels powered by renewable energy, organic farm-to-table dining, or zero-waste initiatives. It's not just about the planet, it's about creating a meaningful experience for guests. Finally, the era of one-size-fits-all is over. Personalization is king. In the future, hospitality services will be tailored to each guest's preferences, making every stay unique. Adapting to these future trends will be crucial for the next generation of hospitality managers. Our challenge is to blend technology, sustainability, and personalization to create unforgettable guest experiences. The future of hospitality management is indeed an exciting place to be. So, to sum it all up, what are the key points we have learned about hospitality management today? Well, we've delved into the intricate enigma of hospitality management, shedding light on how it's about much more than just providing a bed and breakfast. It's a complex combination of strategic planning, marketing, human resource management, and financial control, all aimed at providing the ultimate guest experience. We've also taken you behind the scenes, demonstrating how every department, every staff member, contributes to the overall success of a hospitality establishment. It's a symphony of synchronized efforts, where everyone plays their part. Looking ahead, we've explored the exciting future of hospitality management. From digital innovations to sustainable practices, the industry is evolving at a rapid pace, offering new opportunities and challenges. Remember, in the world of hospitality management, every detail counts. So next time you check into a hotel, take a moment to appreciate the art of hospitality.